Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Authenticator for KuCoin. First, download the Google Authenticator app from your phone's App Store. Next, log into your KuCoin account and find the Account Security section. From there, locate Google Verification and select the option to bind or set it up. This initial step is crucial for adding an essential layer of security to your account. Once you've initiated the setup, KuCoin will send an email or SMS verification code. Enter this to proceed. You will then see a QR code or a secret key on your screen. Open your Google Authenticator app, tap the plus icon, and choose to either scan the QR code directly or manually input the provided secret key. Remember to save this secret key in a safe, offline place for recovery purposes. After linking, your Google Authenticator app will immediately begin generating a unique 6-digit code. This code refreshes every 30 seconds, providing a time-based layer of security. Carefully enter this current 6-digit code into the designated field on the KuCoin platform. Finally, click the Activate button to successfully enable two-factor authentication for your account, securing it further. For optimal security, always keep your secret key stored safely offline. It is vital for account recovery. Avoid deleting the Authenticator app from your device once set up. Also, ensure your phone's time is set to automatic synchronization to prevent code mismatches. Be aware that KuCoin may temporarily disable withdrawals for 24 hours after any two-factor authentication changes to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.